What is up, guys? Today we're gonna go to a meet with the boy Daniel. I don't think he's gonna bring out the 300 still. He's probably gonna still be in the Beamer, but you guys will see his 300 one day. But yeah, what we're doing right now is we're gonna have to start heading over there. We're gonna start heading over there, and yeah, it's all the way in Mooresville, so it's like 45-minute drive. So yeah, let's do that, and I'll get right back with you guys.
It's the dream.
Oh! Dude, this shit was so far away, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, my boy's sponsoring out here. We're just sponsored by, bro. We're just sponsored.
Really?
By.
Toyo tires.
Toyo tire? You don't want me exposed.
And work wheels.
Alright, but deadass, bro, like, look at my parking. Bro, what the fuck? You didn't tell me, nigga. You did not tell me that.
Like, I know how to park your car.
You did not tell me that. Oh my goodness. Here.
Look at his fucking parking. Oh my. It was terrible. Oh shit. Mine's terrible too. Jesus Christ.
Over there, there's like mad traffic because of the lights, and it's
you see
like
that 300 over there?
It's like rush hour. Yeah, there's a 300 over there. I feel like I've seen that 86 right there. I've seen it somewhere else. I'm just not sure where. But let's see what's up. Subi? Subi? Yes, Subi.
Eva.
Subi. Subi.
Oh, I'm not wearing this watch.
Dude, I think my car here is the dirtiest car. Like, good ass. Like, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. What is that? What watch? What watch? Why, you don't want to look like an RC boy?
Huh?
You look like, you look like you work like at, like a go-kart spot or some shit.
The pit? You pass it?
Yeah.
Let's look at these cars.
Right there, over there. But yeah, we're gonna look at some cars, and I'll show you some cars real quick.
I like that though.
All right. Ooh, look at that. Thing. I have forgot. I don't have my jeans on. That's nice. STI.
You see that thing?
I should have brought my. Ooh. Look, freaking Sabrina and TJ. Sabrina and TJ right next to each other. Dude, it looks like I was zooming into their butt. Don't say nothing.
Huh?
For a minute, it looks like I was zooming into their butt. Why are you just looking at it? We could just go back and forth.
Yeah, you're right.
Mad Action Evo. Oh, this is the dude I met. Where's he at?
That
Oh,
dude?
he's over there. Car, but your car is down.
Shit, bro.
This shit's so nice, dude. He let me sit in it. He let me sit in it. Did I show you?
Really? He
Yeah.
let you sit in it?
Yeah.
You want a cookie?
Yes. I want a cookie. This shit's so nice, dude. Oh my god.
I fucking love that RX.
I want to have an Evo one day and a Subi. Like, this shit's just like.
This is a
gold,
Supra.
bro. Where? Oh shoot! I swear, more TJ Hunt. More TJ Hunt. You've seen TJ Hunt's new thing, right? 2 of them. Dude.
You see the Yankees?
I need to get.
You think those look good on my car?
Yeah. This shit's nice as fuck. Thumbnail? What do you say?
What's his Snapchat?
I don't know. It's like Jeremy, something like that.
Is that Jeremy AGC?
Huh?
Is it Jeremy AGC?
No, I don't know what the fuck it is.
Is that?
No. Is he? Maybe, I'm not sure.
Shit, we gotta risk it.
Look at this, dude. Look at this. He got brides, bro. He got the brides. He got your brides. Oh yeah, yours are black. These shits are still nice, dude. They're a little faded, but they're still nice. Dude. You're not about that rotary like that.
Shit, you're drunk.
Are you?
I'd probably take a rotary everywhere. No.
Would you swap your 300 to a rotary?
No.
Exactly. Exactly. But I guess it's because
That's
it doesn't.
stupid.
In a way, bro. Because it's a crazy swap.
Yeah, that's Jacob with his fucking SVX is here too.
I know, I saw him.
Yeah.
He was just like.
Where's the free food?
I think you gotta go in the.
They gave us free pizza, bro. What do you think about this? And free drinks.
I think I'm about to get more.
This shit's lit. Okay. Why is that shit so loud and it's just like it's not even going fast? Damn. Imagine when he ripped that shit and how loud that shit is. Oh, we got the off-road mobile. Super Squad.
Looking at my years like I'm not a dumb. Never better need to be a bad bum. Never be enough on the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born for things.
How do you feel?
Because it's small.
That ass, the first one I've seen here in North Carolina, like that ass. Like, I know they're more common, but damn, dude, that shit crazy. Look. Subi Squad, Subi Squad. Yo, I love this thing, dude. This shit's sick. Look at that.
Poco lo que se diga, que diga, porque el ladrón y yo somos socios de la avenida. El bandolero como el mister politiquero, que se robó todo el dinero y lo postularon de nuevo.
Look, this is your Beamer life. That's all you. That's all me. This is all you. Oh, the Supra.
Which one would win?
Did the Supra thing? The Supra's left. Oh no, no, they didn't.
Where are they? They're over there. Whoa.
They left.
There was a Mercedes. It's back there.
I don't know. Oh, they're over there. Over there. Oh yeah, stickers are right here.
Yeah, I'm not buying them. I don't have the money.
You just gonna look at them?
Yeah. Well, you look. Hey guys, the Ralph thing is inside. Hey, what's the Ralph thing? Get like
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. Yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs for when I stray. Yeah, well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I walk feelings out of me more like you. Yeah, not to put you fire with the things I do. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and stay.
Okay guys, so I know the video for today is pretty short, but I just wanted to throw something out there real quick for you guys to watch. But if you like the meet and you like all the cars that were there, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you're new for more content. I'm gonna be uploading more videos, and I'm gonna be uploading a video about the Subaru. I think maybe tomorrow or Sunday. I mean, tomorrow is Sunday, so maybe tomorrow or Monday, depends on how my day goes tomorrow. So yeah, so peace out guys, and remember to keep grinding.
I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Living like a fingertip.